Can I let you in on a little secret? I think lead generation is completely overrated. And in this video, I'm going to explain not only why I believe that, but also how to generate really good prospects with the leads that you already have. Hey, it's Tom Jacobs. If you're new to this channel, this is all about sales processes for the solopreneur and the solo practitioner that takes that presentation, turns it into a performance so that you get more profits in your business. So let's dig into why I believe that lead generation is completely overrated. Now, a lot of new business owners that want to build up their business are going to run ads to get more leads. And if you're constantly running ads to get more leads, it is a very quick way to drain your bank account with okay results, maybe even no results whatsoever. And maybe you hit the jackpot and you get some good leads coming in. But the reality is that of all the leads that you are generating, usually only about 2 to 4% of those leads are actually going to take you up on your offer on the first round. Those are the people that are kind of the tip of the iceberg. And a lot of business owners and marketers don't focus on the other 96% of the people that had expressed interest a little bit, but never took immediate action. And I want to give you some specific things that you can do to make sure that you are nurturing those leads that did express a little bit of interest, but also ultimately you're able to convert them into really good prospects who know, like, and trust you. So the first thing that you want to make sure that you do is that you funnel all of these new leads that you're getting into an email system. Now, I personally enjoy using ActiveCampaign. It's very easy to use and can be very inexpensive as well. It just depends on what program you get. I'm going to put a link down below if you're interested in getting a free trial of that. So the first thing is get them into this email system, and then you want to nurture them with a good nurturing sequence. And that could be a series of 3 to 8 emails that tell them your story, why you're in business, and how you can help them out, especially understanding who your audience is so that you can speak directly to their pain points. So that's the first thing. Let's get them into an email list and then nurture them through a sequence to indoctrinate them into being on your list. After they've been indoctrinated onto your list, and then you want to just put them onto your normal newsletter list, meaning that you should be putting out a newsletter each and every week. And I don't mean like a fancy with all pictures and things like that, although certainly you could if you have the resources to be able to do that. But a simple email identifying a problem and educating people on a potential solution, which also would include working with you, is critical to nurturing those leads and having them understand what certain problems are that you can help them fix. The second thing is that you want to make sure that you are everywhere that these leads are, meaning you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever your leads are hanging out, they should be seeing your content. And so that might mean doing some retargeting ads to show people who are already on your list a little bit more education on what you do. Because the fact is, if you are just posting on your business page on Facebook, Facebook is only showing that to maybe 0.00001% of the people that have followed you. People have to go to your Facebook page to actually get your content. So boosting those into retargeting is one aspect of making sure that people are seeing that. The second thing that you could do in terms of Facebook is create a private Facebook group, and you're funneling all of your prospects into this private Facebook group so that they see, like, know you. They're able to identify exactly what it is that you can help them with, and they're in this community. And having a community group is, whether that's on Facebook or another platform, having a community group of like-minded individuals is critical to building your business and in terms of building your tribe and educating them on exactly what you do. So there you go. 2 very simple tips to utilize the leads that you already have so that you're not wasting a ton of money trying to generate new leads. When you do these 2 things in combination, you're going to see that 2% or 4% immediate conversion double maybe even triple down the road. And again, it takes a little bit of work to do the nurturing, but it definitely pays off in the end. I hope this was helpful for you. Make sure you put some comments down below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, you have a great day.